It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 Maverick XLT in iconic silver. It has navy pear and medium slate gray interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It has a reverse camera, sliding rear window, and as well it has a 2.5 liter hybrid engine. So this vehicle has a lithium-ion battery as well as regular fuel to power it, and it has a automatic transmission. It's a 4x4 and it has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.5 liter hybrid engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission and it's a front wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and you have your lighting controls located here. Nice all-weather mats on the floor, and on the face of the steering wheel is your cruise control volume. You also have your menu and hands-free dialing. Now, when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you're going to notice it's really quiet, and that is because this is a hybrid, so it uses a lithium-ion battery as well as gas for your power source, and it's telling you it's ready to drive because it's so quiet. And then we can go through the menu for different options, and there's your ready to drive again, so we can toggle up and down through the menu, and we're in trip 2. So I'm just going to get out of there. Let's press OK. Okay, there we go, and you're seeing how much to empty and your odometer, and then the speed we're going, which is nothing, our media and the phone that's not connected. And there's your settings, and then back around again. And these all have sub-menus. You can play around in them. There's a little cubby behind here, and on your screen you're seeing your displays here for audio, so you can touch in there for the different options and go into sources, AM, FM, and you have Bluetooth. You also have your settings in there, so you can slide through. You're seeing the Bluetooth again, general, radio, Wi-Fi, automatic updates, your lighting, and so forth. You can even change the look of the display, volume, and tuner, and there's your hazard lights. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. The white lines are showing you as you turn your steering wheel the direction you're going. Dotted center line is for the, again, centering, and if you've got a trailer tow hitch on this vehicle, so if you were lining up your hitch there, and green, yellow, red is how close you are to objects or other vehicles when going in reverse. I'm going to put us back into park just for safety's sake, and then you have your fan there, and as well your digital readout for your temperature inside the cabin, AC and max AC, and then down below USB, USB-C, and this nice display area where, not a display, sorry, it's a storage area, so it is easy to see where things are. Your dial shifter, electronic parking brake, and then you have your different drive modes. So there's normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport, and back around again. So as the road conditions change, the climate changes, or just your mood, you can change the drive feel. There's your traction control, and there's your auto hold. So if you're on an incline or towing, this is when you would use this. Couple of cup holders, little cubbies. Again, that nice orange accent just makes things very visible. And then we can open up our armrest quite deep, lots of room in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, and you also have a sunglass holder, grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. I like the orange accents throughout the vehicle. For one, it's nice visibility, and it's a good contrast because you've got this navy pear and this medium slate gray interior, but also they're easy to clean. They come right out, and you could just have the regular color if you wanted, but then if you needed to clean anything out, you could very easily. And the same thing for the little one here. I just thought that was a cool feature. 17-inch wheels, and you've got the black door handle and side view mirrors. You also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, and the back handle is also black on the tailgate, and tailgate is lockable. You have your backup camera located just below the Ford logo, and you also have your trailer tow hitch. When you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch, and you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as a few on the floor there, which is quite handy. And then you've got these little areas here, so you just turn this and it opens up. You've got a little storage bin there, and then you can just close it up again and put tools or whatever else you would like in there. And then you can just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat. You've got your armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders. We're just going to pop it up, And then we're going to bring the seat up by simply lifting it and pulling the tab. Now there's 2 tabs, there's one on either end, but you can do it from either end. It doesn't matter, you don't have to do both. And you've got a nice little bin there as well. You've got extra mats on the floor that are all weather. And then just bring it down. And then again, you can bring the armrest down. On the back of the seat are slim pockets. You've got a 12 volt and you've got a little notch in there. You can make yourself an accessory or purchase one that fits right in there like a little table. And you also have hooks and handles on the side, lighting, and in the back, access to a sliding window. Black bumper, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, daytime running lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.